Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Monday morning market webcast. Okay. So the bulls had an opportunity for follow-through on Friday. They didn't. They walked into a buzzsaw, full reversal, taking it all the way down to the daily mid-band. We have traded as low as 27.90 and change in the overnight. They've built it back up above 2,800 at this point. I'll be interested to see if they can do a full reach up to 28.26. You can see you've got the 9-day there, 28.26.69. The other thing, you've got the weekly pivot now at 28.26. So we were talking last week about the buffer between 03 and 26 and the conversion of that buffer giving the next leg in the market. Well, it gave you 40, okay? Converting 26 on Thursday gave you 40 to the upside. I have to wonder now if 26 wants to be, again, the determining factor on any kind of an up move this week. If you're going to deal with the weekly pivot at all, and remember, you didn't deal with the weekly pivot on Friday until you got into the bitter end, and at that point they still couldn't really print it. We covered down there and called it a week. So when you get back to 26, especially if they do some kind of a ramp off the open today, which you might see the beginnings of now. You got the daily pivot there, you can see little dots there, and then you got the weekly pivot 28.26. So that's my most important price of the week, is 26. The other thing that you can't see on this chart, but also is present at 26, is the pre-FOMC price from last Wednesday. That's 28.26 half. So there's a whole hell of a lot going on at 26. And the bears now have done what I asked them to do. They have flipped the field on the bulls, okay? So it's like a really nice deep punt in a football game, right? Now, all the bears have to do is defend 26. And they're defending it from, at certain points in time last night, 36 handles below. That's not a big ask. At least it shouldn't be, unless you're the bears. So the bulls have gone into multiple weeks now, since Christmas, with the weekly pivot underneath as, maintainable support. Now the bears have turned the tables, and the issue becomes, can they hold that area as resistance? If they can start to build momentum to the downside. The daily mid-band comes in right around here, 28.05. So we're going to have to keep an eye on that today. That corresponding with the hourly mid-band. Those two should stay fairly tight, at least during the morning hours. And but 26 is the deal. 26 is the deal. All right. Everybody have a good day. Join us at 9:20. Okay? Join us at 9:20 over on Instagram for the live chat into the opening bell. We'll talk about what we're looking for into the open, and you never know what we're going to talk about. I'll tell you two things we talked about on Friday at 9:20. We talked about UC Irvine and Oregon both upsetting. Okay, I gave you two basketball picks plus the open. Okay, I give you a little credit for that. All right, everybody have a fantastic morning. There'll be more stuff out on social. Take care, trade them well. Come see us. We would love to meet you. I'll talk to you soon. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.